Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Toboldy Goes Modworks, and this is the build update you shouldn't really technically really see. This is Airfix's 1/48 scale, 1/35 scale Ferret Scout Mark 1. Now, the reason you will see it is we got this little package from inside the Armour 3. So it's the upgrade set for the Ferret. So obviously, while she's at this stage, I brought it down here to get them painted and essentially assembled. So obviously all these parts here will be painted. This part won't, because it's going to be, this part's got to be chopped about, and one of those parts in there has got to be extracted. So quick, simple, hopefully, and yeah. So I'm going to pause this there because obviously I got to get some PP in and remove the box from the outside of the 3D prints, and obviously remove some parts of it. So I'll see you in a bit. So obviously I removed the frame. I obviously pinged off the end of the shovel. Fortunately I've got it can glue back on, but and remove this little part here. And obviously made some modifications to the back of the Ferret. So you've got to take the notches out of the backs, otherwise you won't get it to fit. But you can see how much better that looks than that. Unfortunately, we have a part line which runs down the a joint. So we're going to be very careful doing that. So what I'll do is we'll get some CA mixed up, or some CA done. I think I'll use some of this stuff for PE because it tends to grab quite quickly. Get a cocktail stick, and hopefully, just move this cable out of the way because I'm going to catch my hand in the cable. We'll get her fitted with not too much swearing. Right. And of course the so plan B, I just have to very carefully pour a little bit out of the bottle because the lid's stuck on the bottle. There we go. Whoops, it's a bit too much. But it shows how long it's been since I've used this, unfortunately. Right. And we'll get a cocktail stick. And we'll just put a couple of little dabs on here just to lightly tack it in place, put some on there as well. And hope the hell it goes in there. There we go. I'll put a little bit down the joint. So that should stay in place. Mr. Unorganised here. So that's the first bit of the aftermarket in place. I'm now going to I'll cut this off screen, because you don't want to see me cut this on screen, because I'll basically, knowing my luck, I'll F it up. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, and there we go with the modification complete. So I shall get all the interior painted silver as it's required, so I'll prime it and paint it. Paint the seats and all these bits up. Obviously get the internals sprayed in silver in here, purely because you can now see quite clearly in there without vents, those vents. Okay, and hopefully get that stuck in and get it glued up on the edge here. So I'll see you in a bit. So we've got we're back from paint. Give it a nice. I primed it with Outlaw dark grey primer, and then blew it over with some LP11 silver. So obviously I didn't do that bit, but never mind. I've now got to glue that piece in. Obviously the other parts I will attend to later, because I've got to paint the seats up and everything, etc, etc. So we'll get some Tamiya extra thin. I think you could see the capillary action there. Bit of masking tape on here, just to hold it down so it doesn't wiggle. And then we shall get some of our CA glue and a decent cocktail stick. Clean up a cocktail stick like that. and then a capillary in there. Alright. I think that's gone in there not quite nicely. There we go. So I'll leave her here and we'll come back to her in a bit. I'll see you later. And we're back. It's the afternoon. Radios are in. This seat's in. Just about to glue this front seat in. Fairly straightforward that'll be. Bit of our old friends will contact you. Plonk that in. There we go. And then we've got to, well, we haven't got to. We've got to put the steering wheel in. So we're going to dig that off the spray booth. And there we have her. I think we'll use some Tamiya extra thin on her. And get it level. Leave that to dry quickly. Squeeze that seat down, make it goes in. There we go. It's one side on. That is lightly tacked, so hopefully this will give me some wriggle room. There's the other one. Like so. And then I'll have to see what this steering wheel is, whether this steering wheel is set up. No, not yet. And then in theory, this piece goes on here. Sorry, I'm off camera. Whoops. Bit my bad. There we go. There we go. Put a little bit of tape around that front just to hold it in place. And then I'll wrap up part one of this, hopefully wrap up part one of this build. So I'm not sure on the instructions, but obviously when we come to fit more aftermarket, I will do another video. So, because anyway, you can amuse yourself watching my other video, video of the Ferret, which the link will be up here, somewhere like that, up there. It all goes the same. It all goes together similarly, so to speak. Let's put some tape there just to hold those angled angles in. There we go. So, until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.